Hey, my friends, I know you need some best free plugins. So let's come with me and I'll show you where and how can you download this. Go to Google, search plugin boutique and click the first link you see. And then we are on the main website. You can buy some of these amazing plugins if you have enough money. Or if you don't, you can go to top instruments, choose what you like. I just choose virtual instruments and then I click on free, and here is all these free virtual instruments here, so you can download them for free of cost, and you can download what you need to download. So next I download some of the virtual instruments. I'm going to instruments, synth, and here all the free synths here. So here you can download analog lay play for free of cost. Just click on it, add to library, and just click on download. So I see some of these effects here. So here all kind of effect you need. So you just have to choose and click on free. I download this one, Magic Switch. So I download some of these free plugins and install them into my system. Now I'm going to add them into FL Studio. So let's go. So add, manage plugins. Here the location where your VSC can be installed, and you can add your custom folder here. Now find installer plugins, and our plugins will be visual here. For the plugin database, installed, generators, new. And here is our new VSTs on here. Now I add them and see how they sound. It sounds great. Now see this other one, keys on classic. Many pro producer will use this. So let's make a beat with this free plugin. If you just start making music, you don't need expensive plugins. You start with these free plugins and make better music. Click the subscribe button for more amazing videos.